Let's talk about funnels. It's been my experience working with countless buyers whom I helped build funnel with irresistible offers and well-positioned campaign to achieve desired results. If you choose us, you'll be working with person who have experience building funnels. Therefore, if you need funnel which is designed to grow and scale fast, this could be an important decision you make today. The way we work with each of our clients is unique, holistic, and focused. We make that 20% efforts which lead to 80% of results and double down on it. We believe in being the best every time. Our ideal clients are motivated, driven, and results-orientated. If that sounds like you, it's time to take the first step and apply for a discovery session so we can discuss the best way to work together and create high-converting funnel for your business. You're just one funnel away.